Hello crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today with a quick video, something different. I made a little toy for my little doggy. He's a Chihuahua, and so I saw this. It's called a Snuffle Mat on Pinterest, and so I thought I'd give it a try. That that plastic mat I got from the Dollar Tree. It's bigger than what they said to use, but that's what I could find. So I'm folding it in half, and then I did pick up some scrap fleece from Joann's. I think the fleece came out to $6 with my coupon, and so I cut them into strips, like 1.5-inch strips by like 6 to 8 inches. Not perfect by any means. And so I start tying them on the plastic. I'm weaving them in the holes, as you can see here, in one hole, and it comes up in the next hole, and I just make one knot. It's amazing how thick this thing gets from just doing that. And so I go down one row and then continue on the next row, as you will see. Here I do it again, poke it in one side and bring it up the other side and make a single knot. Just like that. One more time. It probably took me maybe like 2 hours, but here you can see. So I'm going across that top row, and then I'll start with the next row. But yeah, so it probably took me about 2 hours total, cutting, tying these things on. I ended up cutting the mat down to like a rectangle size, and you will see that coming up. I did end up with a blister on the inside of my, is it the inside? No, it's the outside of my middle finger from tying these things. So it is a lot of tying. I didn't expect that at all. Okay, so I'm at the end of this first row, tying my last knot there. And then I'm going to continue with the next row. But I'm just going to show you, see, row by row by row, going that way. Here's halfway through the mark. And you can see still just the one single knot going in the same direction. The next color, you'll see the teal. When I start doing that, I do it in the opposite direction. So like this is going east to west. Of those holes, the turquoise, I do north to south. And when I flip it over, you'll get a better idea. I'll show you what it looks like when I do flip it around. It's not hard to get in there, but it is, you know, it's crowded, as you can see, but you can find the next, hole that you're supposed to be putting the fleece through and up through the next one, and then tying that single knot. And here we go, we're coming to the end. So see how that blends in well, but there, do you see like how it's going the opposite way of the gray? So once you fill that all up, then you get this. Yes, and then you could just tuck the treats in, but do you see the back? That's the back. That's what lays on the ground, and then you tuck all the treats all down in there, and they dig and ruffle through it. I have some videos of my dog playing with his. Here you go. For more videos videos like these. See you here, and until my next video, shakas!